Here are 8 best things for a college student to do on a Friday or Saturday night at New Brunswick campus of Rutgers. Go to a party. Go for the music, the free beer, and the people. Stay for the guy in an inner tube, the UV lights, and the pervading sense of I'm only young once. Cracked red cups, sloppy makeout sessions, straight shots, packed basements, body paint, and beer pong. Even if parties aren't your thing, go just for the sights and say you did it. Hit up the bar. Old Queen's Tavern is pretty much a frat party guised as a bar. Clyde's is an upscale martini bar with lots of fish tanks. Corner Tavern is crowded with dads but has a great pool table. New Brunswick truly has it all. Or a basement show. Existing as a pit stop for small touring bands traveling between Philly and New York in a town with a solid music scene, New Brunswick lends itself to the cultural force that is the basement show. Great for people that like parties without all the aforementioned, or people that like their music loud, live, and accessible. Explore Bucculeuch Park. Don't tell the cops we told you since it's technically closed after the sun goes down, but chilling in Bucculeuch Park after dark feels like equal parts adventure and horror movie, and is the perfect way to follow up a few hours of partying. Find a spot in the open, lay down a blanket, and just kick it. Check out a play. The State Theater ranges from comedy shows to Shakespeare to Sesame Street Live, so there's bound to be something you enjoy. Crossroads Theater specializes in African American theater, while the George Street Playhouse presents plays that run for a few weeks at a time. Or a comedy show. The Stress Factory in New Brunswick's premier comedy club, having hosted Chris Rock, Margaret Cho, Mark Maron, Tracy Morgan, Jeff Ross, Bill Burr, Drew Carey, the Lucas Brothers, and many others throughout the years. This is great for when you're going on a date, your parents are in town, or you just want to laugh. Hop on the train to New York. One of the best things about New Brunswick is how easy it is to leave. You can catch the Northeast Corridor line from the station located downtown and pull up to Penn Station in Midtown Manhattan in about an hour and a half, after which you can hop between museums, shop, eat, go to a show, or whatever. Get something to eat. After a night of drinking, socializing, and bopping around, you're probably hungry. Most true New Brunswickens will recommend a fat sandwich from a grease truck. A fat sandwich is basically a custom combination of fried food on a torpedo roll topped with lettuce, tomato, and the like. So for more tips and tricks on colleges and universities, check out our website,